Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Kid in Alabama on this Connex 33HP Max. Kid, got it ready to go for you, bud? Our tune alignment, Sheba voltage regulator, wideband transmit receive, this fully truckerized package, all the audio mods. Let me show you on low power. 100 watt slug. I set you at 5 watts all the way down, Kid. That way if you decide to run an amp, you get full adjustability. 40 all the way up. Way if you decide to run barefooted. Hello, 90 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. Over 200 watts PEP. Kid, we'll get this boxed up for you, as well as your static 636 mic that comes with the Truckerized package automatically, along with this video. Thanks again from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.